Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Godwin and my channel is This is Godwin, a vlogger and a professional marketer retiring at the age of 51. Today I have a good news for you. I have introduced a shop that is an affiliate shop in partnership with Poemusart, a poem and art platform that I've also introduced a shop, and I have been given the chance to build an affiliation brand partnership with them. So I'm going to introduce this shop to you guys so that you can actually shop on this shop and support me. Anything you buy there, I receive a commission. I'm going to leave the link to the shop in the description of this video on the screen and also in my bio. Let's go and shop now. So guys, now let's check the shop. So this is the shop. So you can see my channel name here. This is Godwin Speak. And when you come here to, you can see it is created by This is Godwin. Visit channels. When you click here, take you back to my channel. These are my subscriber base. So I think this is more than this one. I have currently 1,900 and something. Currently, I have more subscribers than this. But this is what is showing here. So now let's go to the products. I have from electronic products to clothing, household items. So you can see these are some of the products. And the pricing, as a matter of fact, includes shipping to your country. At the moment, Poemusart is shipping to every single country on earth. Right, so it's worldwide shipping to every single country on this planet, or shipping to almost every country on this planet. So these are some of the products you see here. So we have lamps, we have portable printers, a lot of products here that you are seeing. So these are all array of products that you are seeing here. So we can just visit and then do your shopping. So you can see a lot of array of products, and this is a partnership between me and the Poemusart brand. So anytime you do me a favor by clicking on the link and shopping, and I said earlier on, I'm going to put the link in the description section. You support your favorite channel, because I also earn some commission on every sale that actually occurs or takes place on the or in the shop or on the shop. So these are some of the products, and prices are very reasonable. In case you are a creator, there are creator products here as well. There are drones. There's a drone even costing as low as $19. As I scroll down, you're going to see. So there are a whole lot of items here that I have put. I think there are cameras, action cameras, and all that, and a lot of products that you can, as a matter of fact, find on this or find in this shop. Right. So now when you go and you click on shop, so let me show you. For example, you want to buy this product, so you click on it. So it opens. So when it opens, you click on buy now. It takes you to this page. You may not find your country here, but don't worry. You come down after you have put in the payment details, and the payment is also secure. There's a secure payment system, 256-bit SSL, so you don't have a problem. Right, so when you come down here, you're going to see save my information for fast checkout. Here you can find your country here. So I'm in Ghana, so you can see Ghana is here. You can see Ghana here. So here you have all the countries on F on this particular button. Right, so when you come here, you're going to see Ghana here. Right, so that means that if you are in Ghana, for example, or if let's say you are in say Italy, or let's say you are in Jamaica, you click on Jamaica and Jamaica is there. So if you don't find your details here, that is not a problem. You fill in, add your apartment, add city, state, and leave the country as it is. The interesting thing about this site is that it will automatically, as a matter of fact, identify your location. So once you have placed, you've put in your name, address, and street address, etc., you'll be able to, as a matter of fact, when you go to checkout, it will automatically identify your country, and then it calculates that for you. And it's also going to give you the number of days that it will take for delivery. In this case, is that from now to between on the 7th and on the 13th. That is the delivery date. This will depend on your location as well. So the rather shipping is also free, and I'm also giving 5% discount, which is from yours truly. This is Godwin from my channel to you. So let's go back. So like I said, in case you click on buy now and it takes you to the page where you're supposed to enter your address, etc., enter all the information, then leave the country alone. The countries in the list there, maybe your country might not be in it, but it is the shop ships worldwide, right? We do worldwide shipping, and so you don't need to worry. So you come here, as a matter of fact, click on buy, it goes, and then you leave the country, and then after filling your payment information, everything, or after doing the payment, filling the payment details, etc., you'll find your country there. And then when you go to checkout too, it will automatically identify your location. So the most important thing, make sure you keep, or you put the correct address in there. You put the correct address, and then your apartment, etc., street, if you have PO box, etc., you add all of those things to it, your telephone number, etc. And then, as a matter of fact, after the card details or the payment card details, you're going to see your country there, and then when you go to checkout, it automatically identify your location, right? So you don't have to worry. And like I said earlier on, it's free delivery. The price is part of the delivery, right? So we have myriad of products here, different types of products here for you to, as a matter of fact, shop from ladies wear to gadgets to drone. And look at this drone, it's as low as $19.95. We have laptop bags and a whole lot. So this is an affiliate marketing initiative between your brand or your favorite channel, this is Godwin, and Poemusart of the USA. So all products are shipped from the USA direct to your destination. Guys, I would urge you to patronize, because anytime you buy something from my shop, as a matter of fact, you support my channel, your favorite channel. I need your support so I can travel. Now I cannot depend only on AdSense. AdSense is not giving me that much. So this is a brand partnership, and this partnership comes from a much well created shop as Poemusart, because I'm on a platform, and it is that platform that recommended my channel to them, right? So everything here has been created for you. You can see also men's clothing here as well, laptop chargers, and a whole lot of things that you can shop from. I'll be updating and be adding more things as time goes on. I'll be adding lots of products to it to, as a matter of fact, give variety to you, my viewers, and my wonderful community. So as you can see, there are lots of products to choose from. And there's one interesting thing. When you come down to the bottom of the page 2, you're going to find my channel about This is Godwin. So you see, This is Godwin is a YouTube channel that specializes in street travel, lifestyle, and any good content. This is my Poemusart affiliate shop. I have specially selected products for everyone. Happy shopping, shop now. So you can contact me through this email if you want any further details, or if you're having problems shopping, So let me highlight so you see. So this is the highlight area where it talks about my channel, right? So you can contact me. That's my email address. I'm also going to leave a link to the shop in the description of this video, as I said earlier on. So I'm going to put it on the screen as well, for those of you who can look at it and copy directly from there. So that on a very good day, you guys, as a matter of fact, will see that you're supporting your favorite channel here on YouTube. So you can see this is Godwin Speak. If I click this, it's going to take me to my channel, and these are my subscriber base and all that. So this is an affiliation, a collab between, or a brand partnership between your favorite channel, this is Godwin, and Poemusart. Like I said earlier on, Poemusart is a poem and art site, but now they've added affiliate shops or affiliate marketing to it. So guys, thank you very much for spending time to watch. I hope you're gonna shop and have a good time. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to share, comment, and like. Don't forget to support this channel by sharing the link as well, so that other friends and family can also shop for good products. Support my channel. This is an affiliate link, or this is an affiliate partnership, and I hope it's going to go well. See you later.